Hi team, in this video we will see how you can tackle CSRF token validation failed error by disabling this check. Okay, so in my case I am using delete option of my API and I am getting 403 forbidden and this error. Okay, so whenever I execute this, it is not even going to my implementation, which is this delete entity method. Okay, I have placed one breakpoint here, so it is not even triggering here. Okay, so to resolve this, what we will do, we will copy the name of our service. This is the name of the service in the URL. Copy this, go to SICF transaction. Okay, and place your service name here and click on execute. Okay, so double click here, don't click anywhere above. If you click on here this SAP node, you might end up disabling this check for all the web services. Okay, so make sure you are clicking on the node where it is showing your service name. Okay, so we have copied this and pasted here, same thing is visible here. So double click here, then click on change and click on GUI configuration. Okay, here you need to enter this parameter tilt check CSRF token. Okay, I will paste this name in description also, so you can copy from there. Okay, and here you need to enter 0. Click on execute and click on save. Okay, so now we shouldn't get that error. Okay, I will again execute this. Okay, we are reaching to our breakpoint, and if I press F8, it is now showing HTTP code 204, means our execution got successful. Okay, so if you are learning and you are encountering this error, it is very annoying. In real time you might not need to disable this as per your organization policies. Okay, so make sure you discuss this with your superiors, and if you want to learn more about CSRF token, you can check the description. I might give some links also. Okay, so we will meet in the next video.